Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to discuss some important points about nutrition that you need to know. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and show your support in the comments below. First, let's talk about yogurt. While it's a good source of protein, it's not complete on its own. To maximize its benefits, pair it with other protein sources. Be cautious with store-bought yogurts, as they may have added sugars, artificial flavors, and preservatives. Similarly, Greek yogurt might not be as healthy as it seems, with added sugars and ingredients that could be tough on your stomach. Now, about soy products. They might not be the healthiest option. Soy contains plant estrogen and anti-nutrients that could negatively affect your hormones and digestion. The protein benefits of soy don't outweigh these drawbacks. When it comes to potatoes, avoid white ones and choose yams or purple sweet potatoes instead. White potatoes are part of the nightshade family and contain lectins that can damage your gut lining. Yams and purple sweet potatoes, on the other hand, have special fibers and polyphenols that promote gut health and weight management. Steer clear of sunflower, peanut, and cashew butters, as they can cause issues like bloating, gas, and weight gain. Instead, try blanched almond butter for a tasty and safer alternative. Magnesium is essential for gut health, but many people don't get enough of it. Incorporate prebiotic cinnamon and digestion-soothing foods into your diet to help. Be cautious with green vegetable juice, though, as it can be high in sugar content. Coconuts can aid in weight loss, thanks to their medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, that help burn fat. Try adding unsweetened coconut milk to your coffee for a delicious, fat-blasting treat. Lastly, avoid goji berries and opt for raspberries instead to support weight loss. Goji berries contain lectins that can harm gut health, while raspberries are low in sugar, rich in polyphenols and fiber, offering powerful weight loss benefits. That's it for today's video. Remember to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for your support, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.